Would you rather live tax-free under Dubai's skyline or earn triple in Canada but pay half of it in taxes? What's up everyone, welcome back to the Student Helpline, your ultimate guide for studying abroad. Today we are diving into one of the biggest global debates of 2026, Dubai versus the world. Thousands of Indian students are rethinking everything, skipping the UK, Canada, even the US and saying let's go to Dubai. Why? Because the pitch is irresistible. Zero taxes, a booming job market, world-class lifestyle, and it's just a 4-hour flight from home. But here is the million-dollar question. Is Dubai Shine just surface level, or is it truly the smarter long-term choice for your studies, job, and settlement? In this video, we are breaking it all down with a no-nonsense 8-point 2026 scorecard, from living costs to salaries, visa stability to passport power, to help you decide where your future really belongs. Stick around till the end because the final scorecard might just flip your decision. Let's roll. First up is proximity and travel access. For students from India, the geographical convenience of Dubai is an overwhelming factor. A 3 to 4 hour flight means you can genuinely travel back and forth multiple times a year without major disruption or expense. Less jet lag, less time wasted. This is a crucial mental and logistic benefit. Traveling to US and Canada or Australia is a major expensive production. A minimum of 2 days of your life spent just in transit for one trip. Therefore, Dubai wins with 5 points and international 1 point. Second is safety and student lifestyle guide. Safety and a predictable lifestyle are non-negotiable for students. The UAE has especially low crime rates and high standards of public order. For students, especially women, the sense of security is world-class. The Dubai Metro is fantastic, covering all major residential and business hubs. Students should budget for the NOL card for ease of movement. For those studying in remote areas like Dubai Academic City, shuttle services or shared taxis are common. While generally safe, major cities in the US, UK and Europe have varying degrees of public safety issues that require more caution. Therefore, Dubai 5 points and the world 3 points. Next is zero tax advantage. This is the headline draw. In Dubai, the salary you are offered is essentially the cash you take home. Dubai wins with zero income tax. This accelerates your savings, repayment of education loans and remittances home dramatically. There is no comparison here. When you hear $100 salary, remember that a massive chunk, sometimes up to 40%, goes to federal, state and other taxes. Your gross income is significantly reduced. So, Dubai 5 points and international 1 point. Number 4 is cost of education, scholarships and the real investment. Is a Dubai degree actually cheaper than studying abroad? Many universities are branch campuses, example Middlesex and Heriot-Watt. Their fees is lower than their flagships. Main campuses typically ranges from 15 lakhs to 30 lakh rupees for a master's. Branch campuses do offer scholarships, typically as merit-based discounts like 10 to 50% on tuition. These are highly competitive and primarily offered by the private university itself, meaning the pool of available funds is finite. While the US and UK can be more expensive, the international category includes tuition-free public universities in Germany or highly subsidized degrees in Nordic countries. Critically, international destinations benefit from government-funded scholarships, university research grants, and teaching assistant, research assistant, which is TA or TR positions, which often provides stipends and a fee waiver, drastically lowering the net cost of attendance. Let's get into top courses and colleges. Dubai excels in aviation, logistics, fintech and hospitality. Key hubs include Dubai Academic City and the Dubai International Academic City, which is DIAC, hosting institutions like Amity University Dubai and BITS Pilani Dubai. Dubai gets 3 points, international gets 5 points due to the presence of tuition-free, subsidized option and a far larger pool of government and university-funded scholarships. Let's get into Dubai's job reality. Jobs are available especially in the growing tech, finance and tourism sectors. However, your right to stay and work is entirely tied to your employer's sponsorship. If you lose the job, your grace period is limited and you face the real prospect of deportation. Countries like Canada and the UK offer 2-3 year post-study work visa. This gives you open work rights after graduation, independent of any employer. This is an enormous cushion of security. Therefore, Dubai 2 points and international 5 points. On number 6 is gross salary potential, the ceiling effect. We have to look at the maximum potential earnings not just the starting point. A skilled graduate in a high demand field like AI, software engineering, investment banking in the US, Canada, or Switzerland has a drastically higher earning ceiling. Salaries of $100,000 to $150,000 annually are common goals. Making 80 lakhs to 1.2 crore is a realistic mid-career target. While you take home 100% of your salary, the gross salary is significantly lower. Average graduate salaries are often capped between 12,000 to 20,000 dirhams per month, which is just 2.7 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs. While good, it rarely hits the ceiling offered by Western economies. Therefore, Dubai 2 points and international 5 points. Does salary really depend on your visa? This is a sensitive but critical reality check in the GCC region. In Dubai, it is a well-documented industry practice that compensation packages can be influenced by the applicant's passport or country of origin. An Indian passport holder may be offered a lower base salary for the exact same role than a Western passport holder. The strategy sometimes becomes go abroad, get an international passport, and then take the zero tax job in Dubai. Most international countries like UK, Canada, or Europe have strict labor laws prohibiting this discrimination in pay based on nationality for permanent residents or citizens. Therefore, Dubai 2 points and international 4 points. On number 8 is settlement, citizenship, and long-term stability. Your path to becoming a true long-term resident. The UAE offers excellent residency permits like the Golden Visa for high earners. However, it is a renewable residency, not a path to citizenship. If you lose your job or violate visa terms, your residency can be revoked. Countries like Canada, Australia, and many parts of Europe structure their immigration systems for students to gain permanent residency, which is the immediate step to full citizenship and a passport. This offers unparalleled legal stability. Therefore, Dubai 0 points and international 5 points. Next is government benefits and the value of taxes. Don't look at taxes as only a deduction. Look at them as an investment in a social safety net. The taxes you pay fund universal healthcare in Canada or UK, unemployment benefits, money for sitting at home if you're laid off, and subsidized or free public education for your future children. For Citizen University, tuition is often a fraction of what international students pay. These extensive social safety nets are not available in the UAE. Your stability depends entirely on your personal wealth, insurance, and employment. Therefore, Dubai 1 point and international 5 points. Alright, let's tally the final scorecard for our 2026 strategy showdown. Here is the truth bomb. Choose Dubai if you want zero taxes, proximity to India, and a lifestyle upgrade for the next 3 to 5 years. Choose international if your eyes are on long-term settlement, PR, and those jaw-dropping six-figure salaries. A smart move isn't about what is trending, it's about what fits your future. So tell me in the comments, are you team Dubai or team PR powerhouse? And if you're still confused about where to start, the Student Helpline has got you back. From personalized course selection to visa guidance and strategic application support, we'll help you find your best fit university, whether that's in Dubai or anywhere across the world. Don't guess your dreams. Click the link below, book your free consultation, and make your study abroad plan strategic, not stressful. I'm Ananya signing off, and remember, your future deserves a smart destination. See you in the next one.